Alrighty, I'm going to do the warm-up for day 61. Write a method which prints the requested column of a 2D double array. So I made some test code. Don't change that. Come down here. Here's our method. It receives a two-dimensional double array called nums, and it has a column, the integer of the column we want to print. So we just want to print one column. We talked about this in our notes the other day, so you could go look it up in the slide deck, or let's just go ahead and do it. We're going to need to go through all the rows, so let's do a for loop. Int r equals 0, r less than nums dot length. That'll go through all the rows, r plus plus. Right, and then inside here we're going to print the value that's in each row, but at the right column. So it's just literally system.out.println nums are call. So instead of doing a for loop for the column, we're just using the fixed value call that got sent over. I literally think that's all that was required for this, but let's look at the output and make sure. Yeah, and my code fills a two-dimensional 10 by 100 array with totally random numbers, but I set a couple values to be specific things so that I could see on the output that you print the correct column. So just for kicks, if I printed column 58, then we would get totally different numbers, but the top and bottom wouldn't be my special numbers. So anyway, I was just showing you that was where the test occurred. We've got 1,000, literally 1,000 numbers thrown into a two-dimensional array, and I'm just printing column 57 where I set a couple values where I could see that you printed the right column. All right, that's the warm-up.